Hey everybody, Steve Sheets here with Ghost Ranch Communications doing a quick tutorial today about how to fix a common problem that comes up when you're importing slides from PowerPoint into Google Slides. Graphs or charts, whatever you want to call them, tend to get really blurry and just look terrible. Now, if you need the graph to stay editable in Google Slides, then what you need to do is recreate the graph in Google Sheets. But if you just need to show the graph to people without it looking like garbage, that's what we're going to address today. It's a very quick fix. So let's hop to it. This is the graph that I'm going to be working with. This is what I want it to look like. Everything's nice and crisp. This is a real chart that is editable in PowerPoint. And then if I flip over to Google Slides real quick, you can see got the exact same deck here that I've imported into Google Slides. This is how the graph imported. The text, even the bars, are really blurry, and for whatever reason I lost the space between the bars too. This is what we want it to look like. So I'm going to show you how I created this version of the graph that imported without any issues. Now again, I have lost my ability to edit this, but for creating a good looking graph so you can just show your data to folks in Google Slides, this is the quick fix. So I've got my graph here. I'm actually going to zoom out a little bit. First I'm going to copy it. So Command C, Control C. Then I'm going to hold Control and Shift and I'm going to drag a copy of the graph over here so that I've still got a nice editable version of it if I need that. And then with this version of the graph, again, I've already copied this, but you want to make sure you've got a copy of it on your pasteboard. I'm going to give it a fill color just so I can see the edges of the graph area. Then I'm going to come over to paste, and in this drop down, there is a option to paste special. I'm going to choose SVG, hit OK, and I'm just going to hold Shift as I drag in the corners of this so that I can get it to be in the exact same size and place where the original was. I still have my SVG selected. I'm going to hold Control or Command and hit X to cut that. Select my graph that we applied a background color to, delete it, and paste my SVG back on. Thanks for the tips, designer. We're not using you today. And now that I've got this SVG version of the graph where I want it, if I were to import this slide into Google Slides, I would get this exact same result right here where everything's nice and crisp and looks exactly how I want it. I hope this was helpful for you. Again, my name's Steve Sheets. I'm with Ghost Ranch Communications. You can find us on our website. You can find us on YouTube. You can find us on LinkedIn. Find us wherever you like. We've got lots of great tutorial content. We also specialize in creating presentations and all sorts of other marketing collateral. So if you need help with your presentations or other marketing needs, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to hear from you. We're also starting up some webinar series soon, both paid and free versions of that. So keep an eye out for those on our events page. Thanks so much.